We need a yarn, a hook. This hook is 4.5 mm hook, and lastly a scissor. To start off our project, we just need to grab our yarn and our hook and then make a slip knot. To make a slip knot, just put your fingers like this and then grab the yarn like that. And grab your hook, insert your hook inside that slip knot, and just pull this tail over here to tighten our yarn inside the hook, and make 10 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have our 10 chains over here, and we're going to skip 7 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to skip 7 chains and make a single crochet into the 8th chain right here. So that is how you make a single crochet. And then as you can see here, we only have 2 chains left. So for our next step, we're just going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then make another single crochet into the last chain over here, like that. So we're now done with our row 1. We're going to proceed with row 2. So for our row 2, we're just going to make 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then twist and make a single crochet inside this 5 chains over here. Okay, and then make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're only chaining 7 at the end of our row, okay? So we're just going to make 5. We did 5 already, and then we're going to make a single crochet inside this chain space over here. Now we're almost at the end, and then for the end of our chain space, we're going to put another 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then put another single crochet inside the same chain space, like that. So as you can see, earlier we made over here 7 chains at the end of our first row, and also at the end of our second row we're going to make another 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to repeat this until you reach your desired length. Okay, and then twist, then put a single crochet inside this chain space, and then for our mid chain space, we're just going to crochet 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then insert your hook, single crochet, and then make another 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then another single crochet into the chain space. Once you reach your end of the row, we're going to make another 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the same chain space. over here. So you're going to repeat this pattern until you reach the end of the row, until you reach your desired length. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then turn your work, single crochet, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet, another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, another single crochet. We're almost done with our row. For our last chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then single crochet. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are now at row 4, and then we're going to repeat this pattern until row 20, or I mean row 40 or more. It depends on you how you want your project to be longer or shorter. It's up to you. So we're just going to meet at the middle. So as you can see, we're almost done with our crochet cover up, and then we're just going to make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then make a single crochet like that, and then another 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet. So we are at 47th row, like that. And then to finish this project, we're just going to make a 1 chain, and then grab your scissor, then cut. And we're just going to hide the excess. So we're done with our project, and this is the finished result.